Yo, I love the elegancy there, man. I love the quarter zip. I love the tie. Thank you. Oh my gosh, he's got the marcher. He has got the marcher. Sorry, what's your name? I have to interview you. George. Nice to meet you, George. Like, the outfit is on par. The outfit is quite substantial.
Thank you.
Isn't it? How long have you been wearing quarter zips for?
Few months.
A few months now. And ever since you converted to wearing quarter zips, how have you feel?
It's not a conversion.
It's a way of life.
Way of life.
We don't do Nike tag. We don't do coffee. It's straight quarter zips and marches around here.
That outfit just, it speaks to my levels. Thank you. Have an amazing day. You too. Oh, what an amazing guy. Big up to George, you know.